Hi friends, I am Kanchan and welcome to my Yoga with Kanchan Vikram's session. Today I am going to give you only two breathing exercises. These are very essential because today everywhere it is oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. Oxygen is there in air and we should learn to properly inhale, hold and exhale. So I'm just going to give you simple exercises. Anybody can do it. Okay, stay home, stay safe. So now first, before learning that exercise, this is just a understanding video. There will be 3 videos, one with understanding, one with technique and third will be practice. So I'll be giving you all the 3 things and you have to do it accordingly. So never you will require any kind of medication, anything. You know how to inhale, how to enhance your oxygen capacity of your body with the basic exercises and you will be alright. All you need to know is your body is full of all the pipelines. So there is in and out. So your digestive system is in and out. Then your sensory system. If you touch something hot, you will immediately react to it. That is, your senses have told that it has to be your hand has to be removed. So it is in and out process. Then is your blood circulation system. Oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood, it's a full circulation system. It goes to the body and it comes out of the all the body towards the heart and for the purification. So you have to understand that it's a pipeline system. So imagine there is a hand pump. So when you use it pump for maybe pumping water, so if you are using it slowly, it will pump really very slow. But the moment you give full pressure and use its full capacity, full water is going to come out with the force. Same thing is with our body. Our lungs is that hand pump. Now this pump needs regular maintenance, cleaning, oiling. If there are some screws loose, you have to tighten them and use it properly, not in a very harsh way. So same ways is our lungs. So when you are using your lungs for breathing, we are only using this much capacity. Okay. So when we learn breathing exercises, no matter what gender you are, no matter what race you are, no matter what religion you are, no matter what age you are. Like my relatives, when they were in hospital with the current scenario, I gave them this exercise. They were low to moderate in suffering, so I gave them this exercise and they found changes in them. The response to the medicines was better and it helped them in their situation. It happens where, like in this current scenario of oxygen, 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 it's, you see that you monitor oxygen level in your body. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will enhance our capacity of that. Even if you are unwell, you can still do with a moderate capacity. You don't have to do with a strong capacity, you can do it with moderate capacity. It happens like many of them, you get cough, cold, fever. Mostly as the evening starts coming, you feel body pain, you feel very weak. One more thing, when we rest, what we do, like if you come from traveling and you come home, what you do, you sit. Okay, still you feel you are resting? No, you feel resting when you are in a lying down position. So what we do is we give rest to our spine, our spinal system. The moment you lie down on your spine, you start feeling relaxed. So when you do any kind of exercise, may it be walking, running, weightlifting, aerobics, remember you have to do both the sides, same exercise, and by maintaining your posture correct. Okay, so there are many people who sleep on their front side down, so they have lower back problem. So everything is mostly associated, even your immune system is associated with your spine. So when you do yoga, you specifically focus on your spinal system and your brain. There are not many, there might be fitness, endurance and strength, but yoga is the only exercise which trains your brain, which exercises your brain. Okay, your brain does not need to be entertained 24/7, but you can keep it active with nice activities by learning something new, by developing your motor skills. Okay, so coming back to our breathing exercises, all the circulatory system are operating with your lungs pumping system. So when we do this breathing exercises, we actually teach our lungs to properly exercise. Now when we do this exercise, there are few things you need to understand, remember and perform. So what are those? First is your in capacity is 1, your out capacity is 2. So inhaling is 1 and exhaling is double slow than that. Okay, now the most important part is the holding. That's where inside your lungs give and take happens. Like your body absorbs all the pranavayu, all the oxygen, and gives out all the unnecessary gases outside. So why we give it double time outside is we are throwing dirt more out of our body. In time is only 1, holding time is up to your capacity. You can enhance it, develop it, and out time. Okay, so in, hold, out, in, hold, out, that is the basic procedure. These are only 2 exercises. Like doctor gives medicine morning, afternoon and evening, 3 times. Like that we do these 2 breathing exercises, morning, afternoon, evening. Morning when your stomach is empty with solid, liquid and sweat. Sweat is also essential every day. So when you sweat, the dirt is thrown out, not only with the solid and liquid, it's also with the sweat. So everybody should sweat. And at the same time, when you do this breathing exercises, your pumping system is activated and your absorption capacity improves, your digestion system will improve. So make sure you eat on time, don't do munching too much, allow your hunger to activate. If you stay hungry full day and evening I give you boiled potato just with salt, will you eat or will you not eat? You will eat, right? Because you are hungry. Same thing, early morning by 8:30 your breakfast must be finished, not beyond that. 8 o'clock is also I feel late. So 11 o'clock have some fruit, that's the perfect time to have a fruit or nuts. Then lunch around 1:30, fresh soup, salad, whatever you make. And then at 4 o'clock you can have small snack, and at 7:30 to 8 you can finish your dinner. So this should be properly maintained. Sleep by 10:30. All the social media, all the content is not essential for you. Your sleep is essential for you. So just leave aside everything and focus on your own well-being. So the moment you sleep, your sleep completes and next morning you get up fresh. So for that your cycle begins where you sleep. You have to calm down, do little bit of meditation before sleeping, that will help you. So do these 2 exercises what I am going to teach you in my next teaching lesson. One is understanding, second will be the teaching video, and third one will be the practice video. So now I am switching to the training video, but make sure you understand everything, why we are doing this, how we are doing this, and how it is going to help us. No religion, caste, creed, race is not important. Only important how your capacity is working. So avoid as much as baking products, carbonated products, cold. Eat everything warm and freshly cooked. Okay, so on that note, see you in my next video. And yes, I don't want you to like, subscribe, comment, follow to my videos or my channel. I want you to just share it to your friend and relative, because everybody needs to be healthy and strong. Okay, thank you. Namaste.